how to fix Instagram upload problem. First thing, go to settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find every app you have in your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, scroll down until you find your Instagram here. Click on it, click on force stop the app, and then click here on data usage. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled here. Go back, click on these power usage details, click down here on force stop, go back again to the settings, click on wireless networks, enable the airplane mode, and after 15 seconds disable it. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.